In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add an AI agent in N8N and turn your workflow into a smart automation system. Start by opening N8N and creating a new workflow. Add a manual trigger so you can test everything easily. Next, add the AI agent node and connect it to your trigger. This node is the core of your AI workflow because it allows your automation to think, decide, and act using AI. Now connect a chat model like OpenAI. This will act as the brain of your agent and generate responses based on your instructions. If you want your AI to remember conversations, add a simple memory node. This helps the agent keep context across multiple interactions. Then connect tools like Google Sheets, HTTP request, or other apps. These tools allow your AI agent to perform real actions like reading data, updating spreadsheets, or calling APIs. After that, write a system prompt that defines what your AI agent should do. For example, you can instruct it to act as a sales assistant, support agent, or automation helper. Now test your workflow by executing it. Check if the AI responds correctly and uses tools when needed. Once everything works properly, replace the manual trigger with an automated trigger like a webhook or schedule, then activate your workflow. And that's how you add an AI agent in N8N, connect your model, add memory, attach tools, and build powerful AI automation workflows.